You mean Rairo. Rairo means advice. In this case, marriage advice. Vanhu vanowanzorairwa pama bridal shower, or as Alex said it, kitchen tea.
Shower tea. Kitchen tea.
Well, back in the day, people lived in close-knit communities. Vanatete, Vanambuya were very nearby. But now, in our society, we're very nomadic. People are moving to different cities, different countries. So you find those relatives are not as near as they used to be before. Personally, I feel that the pre-marriage support system should always be there, whether somebody is far away from home or near home with their relatives or not. Advice should be sought before marriage, and that's what I was just trying to bring to light. And in the olden days, advice would come from Vanatete and Nambuya. However, now, because of how society has changed, you'll find people could adjust and have the same valuable advice coming from respectable men and women within the community. One of the ladies at my bridal shower gave me really funny advice. She says, oh, if it turns out that your now husband isn't actually really interested in cleaning himself, you could just say, mudiwa hande tese hande katese tino kwesha mazino tese. So you'll be kind of like coercing him to do something with you, as opposed to actually telling him that, baby, I think you need to do such and such. So I thought that was just hilarious. Thank God I don't have to do that. Because people are moving around so much and society has changed so much, people are not relying on kurairwa as much as they should, really. And you find that people end up looking to other sources to find advice, like from Hollywood, even social media, blogs, vlogs, Facebook, you name it. And then the advice that one of the other ladies gave was, if you find that you're getting too angry, and you don't want to say anything that you're going to regret, put some water in your mouth and don't swallow until you've calmed down. And I thought, wow, this one is a good one. I've had to use it once or twice, not too many times. And this is the sort of advice that is usually given by Vanatete, that is paternal aunties, Vanambuya, Vanasekuru, on if it's a guy who's receiving advice. And I feel that this advice is very important. My hope is to inspire society, and women in particular, to rekindle the culture of kuraira, nikurairo.
Jusa rhythm.